Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Wheelhouse Wonders, your hub for stylish and innovative car reviews. Today, we're diving into the futuristic 2025 Tata Avinya, a groundbreaking electric SUV concept that redefines what we expect from sustainable mobility. This premium EV combines cutting-edge design, luxurious interiors, and state-of-the-art technology to create a vehicle that's as advanced as it is captivating. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior, the Tata Avinya boasts a revolutionary design that screams modernity and innovation. Its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette is highlighted by a bold LED light bar stretching across the front and rear, giving it a striking visual signature. The coupe-like roofline and butterfly doors not only enhance its futuristic appeal, but also improve aerodynamics. Large alloy wheels and minimalistic body lines further emphasize its clean and elegant design philosophy, ensuring the Avinya looks as much at home in the city as on a futuristic highway. Inside, the interior of the Tata Avinya is all about luxury and sustainability. The cabin is spacious and features premium eco-friendly materials, blending comfort with environmental consciousness. A panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, creating an airy atmosphere. The dashboard is a minimalistic masterpiece with a digital interface that seamlessly integrates AI-driven voice controls and a massive touchscreen for infotainment and connectivity. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort and support, while the flat floor enhances legroom for all passengers. With features like ambient lighting, wireless charging, and connected car technology, the Avinya is built for the modern driver. On the performance front, the Avinya is built on Tata's Gen 3 EV platform, designed to deliver exceptional range and efficiency. Powered by advanced electric motors and a high-density battery pack, it offers a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. The Avinya supports ultra-fast charging, providing 200 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes, making range anxiety a thing of the past. The car promises a smooth and silent ride, with instant torque and precise handling making every journey enjoyable. In terms of safety features, the Avinya is equipped with Tata's cutting-edge ADAS suite, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. With multiple airbags, a robust body structure, and advanced collision avoidance systems, it ensures the safety of all passengers. The unique selling points of the Tata Avinya are its futuristic design, impressive range, ultra-fast charging, and commitment to sustainability. As an all-electric SUV with premium features and advanced technology, it sets a new benchmark in the EV segment. While the official price is yet to be revealed, the Avinya is expected to start at around 30 Indian rupees lakh, placing it in the premium EV category. For what it offers, it promises to be a value-packed option for those looking to embrace the future of mobility. Conclusion: the 2025 Tata Avinya is not just a car. It's a vision of sustainable luxury and cutting-edge technology. With its striking design, eco-friendly approach, and advanced features, it's set to make a bold statement in the electric vehicle market. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wheelhouse Wonders for more exciting updates on the future of automobiles. See you in the next video.